Hi all. In this important quiz questions about AI engineer exam and related subject video, I will ask you almost 25 objective type questions, and you will try to give answers. This is the best way to practice Q&A. You can check the description for all the answers. Thanks. So let's start the quiz. I'm sure you will love this. Question 1. In machine learning, models learn by measuring how wrong their predictions are during training. So the question is, what is the primary purpose of a loss function in machine learning? Options are A. To increase model accuracy directly. B. To measure how far predictions are from actual values. C. To reduce dataset size. D. To initialize neural network weights. Question 2. Some machine learning methods rely on data that already contains correct answers. So the question is, which type of learning uses labeled data? Options are A. Reinforcement learning. B. Unsupervised learning. C. Supervised learning. D. Transfer learning. Question 3. Neural networks improve by adjusting internal weights after each prediction. So the question is, in neural networks, what does backpropagation mainly do? Options are A. Initializes weights randomly. B. Calculates output values. C. Updates weights using gradients. D. Reduces training data. Question 4. Deep neural networks can face problems when gradients become too small. So the question is, which activation function helps handle the vanishing gradient problem? Options are A. Sigmoid, B. Tan, C. ReLU, D. Softmax. Question 5. Some models perform very well on training data, but fail in real-world use. So the question is, what is overfitting in machine learning? Options are A. Model performs well on unseen data. B. Model performs poorly on training data. C. Model memorizes training data but fails on new data. D. Model uses too few features. Question 6. Certain datasets contain unequal numbers of examples across classes. So the question is, which metric is best for evaluating classification problems with imbalanced data? Options are A. Accuracy. B. Precision and recall. C. Mean squared error. D. R squared. Question 7. Training neural networks requires controlled updates to model parameters. So the question is, what is the role of an optimizer in training neural networks? Options are A. Stores training data. B. Adjusts learning rate manually. C. Updates model parameters to minimize loss. D. Visualizes model output. Question 8. High-dimensional data can slow down models and reduce performance. So the question is, which algorithm is commonly used for dimensionality reduction? Options are A. K-means, B. PCA, C. Naive Bayes, D. Random forest. I'm sure you are loving the quiz. This is the best way to get practice with important questions. So let's carry on. Question 9. Some deep learning models are specially designed for image data. So the question is, what does CNN stand for in deep learning? Options are A. Continuous neural network. B. Convolutional neural network. C. Central node network. D. Complex neuron network. I would suggest you to subscribe this channel if you really want to get the best knowledge for various IT branches. Question 10. Images contain patterns like edges and shapes that must be detected. Now my question is, which layer in a CNN extracts features like edges and textures? Your options are A. Fully connected layer. B. Pooling layer. C. Convolutional layer. D. Output layer. You can check the answers anytime, given in the video description. Question 11. Training deep models can be unstable without normalization. The question is, what is the main advantage of using batch normalization? Here are your options. A. Reduces dataset size. B. Speeds up training and improves stability. C. Removes outliers. D. Increases model size. Question 12. Some data types depend on order and previous values. So, let's see if you can give the answer of this question. Which type of AI model is best suited for sequential data like text or time series? Your options are A. CNN, B. Decision tree, C. RNN, D. KNN. Question 13. Neural networks may rely too heavily on specific neurons. Now, the question is, what problem does Dropout solve in neural networks? Options are here. A. Underfitting, B. Overfitting, C. Vanishing gradients, D. Data imbalance. I wish you'd choose the right one. Now, here is the question 14 for you. Modern AI development often reuses trained models. So the question is, what is transfer learning? Your options are A. Training a model from scratch, B. Moving data between servers, C. Using a pre-trained model for a new task, D. Converting models to another language. Question 15. Regression models predict continuous numeric values. So the question is, which evaluation metric is commonly used for regression problems? Options are A. Accuracy, B. F1 score, C. Mean squared error, D. Confusion matrix. Here I am with question 16. Weight updates must be controlled during training. My question is, what is the learning rate control? Your options are A. Number of layers, B. Speed of weight updates, C. Dataset size, D. Activation function type. Question 17. You may be knowing that some models combine multiple learners into one system. So the question is, which algorithm is an example of ensemble learning? Options are A. Linear regression, B. KNN, C. Random forest, D. Logistic regression. Here is question 18. Some AI systems learn through rewards and penalties. So the question is, what is the main goal of reinforcement learning? Options are A. Predict continuous values, B. Classify labeled data, C. Learn optimal actions through rewards, D. Cluster unlabeled data. Let's go for question 19. Binary classification requires a specialized loss function. My question is, which loss function is commonly used for binary classification? Options are A. Mean squared error, B. Hinge loss, C. Binary cross entropy, D. Kullback-Leibler divergence. Question 20. Different features may exist on very different scales. Your question is, what is feature scaling mainly used for? And your options are A. Increasing accuracy automatically, B. Making models train faster and more stable, C. Removing noise, D. Increasing dataset size. Have you subscribed this channel? Do it to get best and most advanced practice questions. Question 21. Some AI models improve by interacting with an environment. So the question arises here is, which concept allows AI models to improve using feedback from the environment? And your options are A. Supervised learning, B. Unsupervised learning, C. Reinforcement learning, D. Feature engineering.